Hey, what's going on, everybody? So today I have received a bottle of whiskey in the mail from Flaviar Whiskey Club. So I ordered Knob Creek. It's straight bourbon whiskey. I think it's just the regular kind. I know this is nothing special. You can get it in the store, but I see a lot of people drinking this one all the time. So I ordered this one and I got it in today. I'm just going to do a little quick review on it. Let me go ahead and get it open real quick. Alright, first thing I want to point out is that this stuff smells delicious. Oh, that actually smells so good. I can smell that all day. It smells great. So, I'm going to pour me into my little glass, little cup. Alrighty. So, okay. So I got it poured into my Crown Royal cup that my wife made me. Oh, that smells real good. I'm excited to drink this one. I hope this one tastes really good. Ooh, that one does have a little kick to it at first, but oh, that is good. All right. Okay. First, as I said, the aroma is sweet. It smells great. First hit of it, it's got a little kick to it. This one is 100 proof. The finish doesn't. It lasts a little bit. It goes away pretty fast. Oh, that's good. That is real good. It's got a good body, good texture. Definitely easy going down with a little kick. So that one's real good. I would definitely suggest getting a bottle of Knob Creek. I can drink this one over ice. This one's great. I will definitely be adding that one to my home bar collection. That is a real good one. So I definitely recommend that one. But anyway, stay tuned. I got some more bottles coming in. I'm gonna try to get a bottle in every 2 weeks and do a little reviews on it. But thank you again.